Hey guys, Sean Terry here. What is up? Yes, we're back with another video for the 2021 Memorial Day Super Sale, 90% off of all the products and software packages below. All right, so in this video, I want to talk about questions that I've received from you guys on about this package and about everything. So I got my phone here. And I got all the questions for all you guys. So here, I'm gonna answer these for you real quick and thoroughly. Here's the first question is, you're a Flip to Freedom member and you have maybe Remote Millions, or you may have another product that's maybe in the package, or one of the softwares that's in the package. What happens? Well, this is a bundled package. We're not taking out and putting in and changing and modifying and pricing different different products. So if you have another product but you want these other products, this is the best deal. Just buy it as a complete bundle, invest in it as a complete bundle, because you won't see this come along again. Otherwise, when this is over, you'll have to buy each individual product, and if you add everything up, you know, you're talking thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So to have all this put together at 90% off, it's like a package deal. And we're really not kind of moving stuff and changing stuff and stuff like that. So if you do have it, we appreciate you having other products, but this is a one-time Memorial Day sale. And when the count hits zero, the clock hits zero, then it's over, then everything goes back to individual instead of bundled. All right, the next one is, what if you have a problem signing in? Well, the biggest problem that we have with people signing in is they copy and paste the password and they put it in, and the problem is they grab a space in there, then they have a problem signing in. So if you're gonna copy and paste it, make sure you do exactly the password, and make sure you use the email that you signed up with to purchase. Make sure those are the same. And if that all happens, you still have a problem signing in, then you can reach Chelsea, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Pacific Standard Time. You can call into our office, or at help@flip2freedom.com, help@flip2freedom.com, and that will send us a ticket, and she'll be able to help you out, get you logged in ASAP. All right, do you get anything in the mail? Well, no, this is all digital. That's why you have instant access to the product. So as soon as you get started, you get signed up right now, this 90% Memorial Day sale. When you get signed up, you'll get an email with login credentials, and those login credentials will give you access to our membership site, and all the products that are part of this bundle will have a green check mark, and you'll have access to instantly, and you can go in and start diving into the education and learning about it, all the information right away. So that's pretty cool. And the next one is, how long does your subscription last? Well, your subscription to the membership lasts indefinitely. So as long as the internet's around, as long as I'm around, you'll have access to the membership site, which is really cool. So that means your coaching calls that you do. That's why we have to limit the count, because right now our coaching calls are so big. We have so many questions. I could be on there for 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 hours just answering questions with people, which is amazing. All right. So when are the courses available? They're available immediately upon access. Can I do this in another country or another state? Yeah, so if you're in a small town, you can do this. If you're in Arizona and you want to do deals in California, Florida, you can. If you're in California, Florida, you want to do deals in Arizona, it doesn't matter. You can do deals all across the country. The best deals that we do right now are in small little markets across the country, which is amazing. Now, we have people from Israel, from Canada, from other countries doing deals in the United States right now. So what we don't teach is how to do deals in Israel. I don't teach that. We don't teach how to do deals in Canada. We teach how to do deals in the United States, but you can be anywhere in the world and you can be doing deals in the US, which is amazing. Now, we had questions also about the implementation course. When's that going to be? So you're going to get an email of exactly when that implementation course is going to be. You're going to have a lead time to be able to schedule yourself, at least a week lead time, so you can schedule yourself. But it's going to be coming up very soon. And what we'll do is going to be a 2-day event. So it's going to go back to back 2 days, and I'm going to go through and teach specifically how to get your first or second or third $15,000 deal nationally. From the marketing aspect of it, the numbers behind it. We're going to hit the numbers first so you understand what our mission is over the next, and that's happening in the next 30 to 45 days. So how to get your first $15,000 check in 30 to 45 days. So we have to have the numbers behind it. We have to have the marketing, what that's going to take, right? And then we have to have calls coming in from sellers. We got to make offers. We got to talk to them over the phone. That means we need scripts. We got to figure out what to offer in these different markets across the country. So you're going to see the tools that we use to make that happen. Then what contracts, we're going to talk about the contracts, what to offer. We're going to talk about closing companies that can actually do the deals nationally to get these deals closed. We're going to talk about the 5-step process to find buyers. So it's a crash course on how to virtual wholesale, how to do deals nationally over a 2-day period. It's a crash course. It's all going to be recorded and made only available to you guys that participate in the 2021 Memorial Super Day Sale, 90% off. So you don't want to miss that. That alone is worth, where I'm going to teach it personally, worth the price of admission. Literally. All the other products are a bonus, right? Just to be part of that, where it's a one-on, basically, it's me teaching you guys on exactly how to go through. I'm going to answer questions. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're not going to want to miss it. So, get started. Those are the questions we have. If you have any other questions, hit us up at help@flip2freedom.com. Chelsea or the team can be able to answer those for you. We will see you on the live coaching calls. We have deal or no deal training, and you'll get special invites to work with me and directly with my team to do deals together, so we can do deals together. I only work with members where we can do deals together, and you actually get to earn while you learn. You'll learn more about that as well as or when you become a member, and you can learn more about that. So get started. Don't hesitate. Get started now. I think we got like one more video left, and that's it. And then this sale is done. And if you miss it, you can't go back. You can't go back because that's it. So this is these. I mean, I think we only do 1 or maybe 2 of these a year, and they're completely different every single time. So get started. Click the button below. Add it to your order, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.